I have a Kenmore 110.26002011 model washer. When I turn it on, the sensor starts, but after about 10 seconds it blinks read and then goes back to ready status. We had moved the washer to replace the flooring and when the water was put back on the machine, one of the lines was not turned on. The other was. I have confirmed that water is now going to the machine, but it reacts as described. It was working fine prior to disconnecting.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. So I just want to start by saying, if I was in your house, I'd go through diagnostics and see what error code you're getting. But I've tried to explain how to do this to many people, and for some reason they just can't get the sequence to work. So by far, the most likely thing that will cause this issue is your actuator. There is an actuator motor below the tub that switches the shifter next to the motor. To access this part, you need to unplug the washer, tip the washer backwards, and remove the 2 screws going into the plastic cover near the back left corner. That will allow you to access the motor and the actuator to the right of the motor. Remove the screws going into the actuator and replace the actuator. Below is a link to the part you'll need to order and replace for your model 110.26002011. Click here now, if you wanted to give it a shot and see if you can pull up an error code. Here is the sequence you'll need to go through to display the error code. 1. Be sure the washer is in standby mode, plugged in with all indicators off. Press and hold the start/cancel button for 3 seconds to turn everything off. 2. Perform the following sequence of movement using the cycle selector knob. Note, after reset, sequence A through E must be completed within 6 seconds. Reset. Rotate cycle selector knob counterclockwise to clear sequence. A. Rotate cycle selector knob clockwise 1 click and wait half a second. B. Rotate cycle selector knob clockwise 1 click and wait half a second. C. Rotate cycle selector knob clockwise 1 click and wait half a second. D. Rotate cycle selector knob counterclockwise 1 click and wait half a second. E. Rotate cycle selector knob clockwise 1 click and wait half a second. Now you are in diagnostics. Turn the knob until just the done LED is illuminated. Push start. The status lights will flash on and off and CL will display if you have a display. Now turn the dial 1 click and now the error code is displayed in the form of LEDs. Fault/error codes are displayed by alternating the state of the status LEDs in 1-second intervals. All fault/error codes have an F#XXXXX and E#. Please remember that when you are asked to give a rating, you are rating my service and not this website itself or the problem of your appliance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.